In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide Figma tutorial, how to export images in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture just the area you need and export it in the right format for your project. First, open Figma in your browser or the desktop app and load the file you want to work on. Make sure the canvas you need is visible so it's easy to select the right area. You can follow along on any file, whether it's a mobile screen, a web layout, or a simple graphic. Next, look for the frame icon in the top toolbar. It's the one used to create frames and regions. Click the small arrow beside it to expand the menu of related tools. This reveals additional options that are tucked under the same control, which is helpful because Figma groups region tools together. From that expanded list, choose Slice. When Slice is active, your cursor is ready to define an exportable region. This tool is perfect when you don't want to export an entire frame or component, but only a specific portion of your design, like a single image, a header, or a button state. Once a slice is present, you'll see a dedicated slice layer appear in the Layers panel on the left. This layer behaves like any other object in your file. You can select it, move it, and resize it to fine-tune the exact bounds of what you plan to export. Renaming the slice here is a smart habit. The name will be used for the exported file, which keeps your assets tidy. With your slice selected, look to the right side panel and find the export section. Click the plus icon to add an export setting, then choose the format that fits your use case. PNG is great for crisp UI with optional transparency. JPG is ideal for photos and can be smaller in size. SVG keeps vectors editable for icons or logos, and PDF works well for scalable print-ready assets. You can also set the scale, 1x for standard size or 2x and 3x for high-density displays. If you need multiple versions, add more than one export setting so they all save at once. When everything looks good, click Export Slice 1. Choose your destination folder, confirm the file name, and save. Figma will generate the file exactly to your slice's bounds with the format and scale you selected. If you need more assets, simply repeat this process with additional slices or reuse the same slice and adjust its bounds as needed. It's quick, precise, and keeps your exports organized. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.